Hey there, Spencer Sutliff here, founder and CEO of Rugged Road, and I'm going to tell you today a little bit about a product we're very excited to release. I've been working on this for about 3 years now, but it's the Ice-Timator. So in forecast the ice life of your cooler, we're just going to talk through how you put it on the cooler, show you an example, and then talk about what comes in packaging. So your Ice-Timator, first thing you'll notice, is going to come with an instruction manual here, and then you're going to pull it out of the packaging, open it up. Then you're going to have your Ice-Timator, the charging cable, and then your tool. This will allow you to remove the old drain plug and install the new one. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Ice-Timator. You're going to take out the wrench, and this wrench is going to be used to take off the drain plug and then put in the new drain port. So you're going to start by taking this. You're going to unscrew it, that. And you'll take these little notches right here, catch them on the drain plug, and you'll be able to break it free. Like that, and then you'll be able to finger remove it. Then you're going to remove the Ice-Timator from the insert. And what you're looking at is the Ice-Timator, which you will set off to the side, and then you have the housing that you're getting ready to install. There's an O-ring gasket, there's the housing, and then there's a nut that goes on the inside. So you're going to take it, stick it in the cooler, the arrow oriented upward. So now that you've got the housing put in and the arrow clocked oriented upwards, you're going to take the nut, put that on the inside, and start to finger tighten it. And then once it starts to catch, you're going to take your wrench and you'll be able to twist and tighten. And you want to go until you feel tight enough to where the housing will not rotate anymore. You're not going to hurt it. Oops. And then you can always test it and put some water in and see if it drips, but you just want to just tighten it until it's nice and snug. And that's all there is to that. So once you've installed the housing, all you have to do is take your Ice-Timator and it just screws in like a normal drain plug. All right, so now we're going to tell you how to pair it with the app. So first thing first, you're going to open the app and you're going to hold your thumb right here until it starts flashing blue. That's in pairing mode. So we're just going to click add new device, scan for device. And you add a device name. Choose what size cooler it's going on. Enter the serial number. So that's under the front latch of the cooler. And then you choose Fahrenheit or Celsius. Click complete setup. Now the two devices will pair. And now you're going to get a read of the internal temperature with this probe, and then the ambient temperature from the outside of the cooler. Usually there will be a little bit of a variation until it kind of begins syncing. So once your device is connected, you can go ahead and plug it back into your cooler. Get nice and snug. And then once you're ready to begin your Ice-Timator, you'll put how many pounds of ice that are going in the cooler. Just say about 28 pounds of ice. Click calculate, and it'll automatically start calculating how many hours it forecasts the ice life to be remaining.